You should freeze every lemon you consume. You surely have already heard about the method of freezing lemons, but if you do not know the health benefits of this procedure, you must listen on. A new study has shown for the first time how limonoids, natural compounds present in lemons and other citrus fruits, impede both ER+ and ER breast cancer cell growth. This sheds new light on the importance of citrus fruit for breast cancer prevention and supports past studies which showed fruit consumption may lower breast cancer risk. Moreover, it is extremely important not to throw any parts of the lemon. Instead, just buy organic lemons, wash them, and place them in the freezer. As soon as they are frozen, you can grate them or shred the entire fruits, without being peeled previously. Then, you can sprinkle your soups, noodles, desserts, salads, cereals, and so on. This will enrich the taste of the meal and provide numerous health benefits. The lemon peels contain 5-10 times more nutrients than the lemon juice, and they can be of great help in the detoxification of the body. Lemons are highly beneficial fruits, and can be used in the treatment of numerous ailments and diseases. What has been confirmed by numerous studies is that frozen lemons are also remarkable as a cyst treatment, treat bacterial and fungal infections due to their potent antimicrobial properties, treat depression, regulate blood pressure, eliminate internal parasites and worms, and reduce stress and nervous disorders. All this information has been revealed by one of the biggest drug manufacturers in the world. Therefore, do not hesitate to freeze lemons and enjoy their numerous health benefits. You're the only one responsible for your own health, so make sure you maintain it.
Yeah.